Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad paper, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down and click on About Tablet at the bottom. As you can see, all specifications are over here. If you want to access more of them, scroll down and tap on one of those sections, like Status. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!